A wise man once said dogs exemplify all the best characteristics of humans, with none of the bad. As dog lovers, we feel that, a bond that defies words, logic, and time itself. A connection so pure, so unwavering, that it teaches us about loyalty, love, and the beauty of living in the moment. From the moment a dog enters our lives, something magical happens. They greet us not for who we were or what we have, but simply for who we are. No judgments, no expectations, just love, unconditional and profound. Dogs have an extraordinary way of sensing our emotions. They can feel our joy, our sorrow, our fears, even our triumphs. When we are down, they nuzzle close, a silent promise that we are never truly alone. When we celebrate, they bound beside us, their excitement contagious, reminding us that happiness is best shared. There is a lesson in their eyes that hold stories of trust, loyalty, and endless patience. In those eyes we see devotion that is never earned, only reciprocated. A dog's love is not measured in gifts or words or gestures. It is felt in the heart, in the quiet moments, in the gentle wag of a tail. And yet dogs ask for so little in return. A pat on the head, a kind word, a shared moment in the sun. They teach us that love does not need grand gestures. That love is patient, persistent, and forgiving. They remind us to cherish the present, to celebrate the little things, and to offer affection freely. Consider for a moment the simple act of a dog resting their head on your lap. There is trust there and gratitude. And in that small, silent gesture, the world feels right. Pain feels lighter. Loneliness feels distant. And suddenly you understand something fundamental. The love of a dog is not just a gift. It is a mirror. It reflects the best of ourselves. Through every season, every challenge, every passing year, a dog's love remains steadfast. It is a reminder that we are capable of connection, of empathy, of devotion that transcends words. And when their time comes to leave us, they leave behind a legacy of love etched into our hearts, unforgotten, eternal. So perhaps that is the true magic of a dog's love. It is not merely in the joy they bring or the loyalty they show. It is in the way they remind us to live fully, love deeply, and treasure every fleeting, precious moment we have together, because that's what they do. It's not coincidence dog spelled backward is God. It's forsaken. They are angels without wings. They have become man's and woman's best friend for good reason. A dog's love is simple, pure, and enduring, a gift we carry with us, always, even after they are gone, but never forgotten,